Y'all see what's going on, man. What's good, everybody? I'm coming at y'all today with another video on how to make a smoothie. You feel me? Depending on how you're doing it, you might be trying to lose weight, gain weight. It's good for everything, man. Smoothies is the best. Listen, you can incorporate fruits and all kinds of things into your diets with the smoothie, and it's delicious. Stop playing. Let's get into this video. So today I got here, I got some frozen bananas, some frozen strawberries, some frozen blueberries, I got the avocado oil, good for the essential fatties and shit like that. You got the chia seeds here. This is good for omega-3 fatty acids, very healthy for you. It helps you lose stubborn belly fat, gives you an extra boost energy in your workouts, very good. I recommend getting these. We got the almond milk, it's the best milk. Not the best, one of the best, it's better than regular cow milk, because we don't do cow milk around here. We got almond butter, a little protein in that bitch. Stop playing. We got the cinnamon right here, you know what I'm talking about. We got green kale, this is packed with vitamins. This is packed with calcium, actually. It has a lot more calcium than milk, like double the calcium. And, it's actual greens, way better than milk. We got coconut oil here, you know what that is for. And we got some honey. I don't know if I showed this already, but this is like the sweetener. Honey is very good for you as well. All type of things into a smoothie. Make your own unique smoothie. You can add pineapples, apples. Apples they say are great for waking. We got an end product right here. That's how it came out. It came out pretty thick, red, bluish, somewhat, whatever. I'll go ahead and pour that. Boy, I already know this shit gonna be fun. Stop playing, ho. So again, you guys, like I said, whether you're trying to gain weight or lose weight, it's all about what you incorporate into your smoothie. Like if you're trying to lose weight, I recommend you go on a smoothie diet where you add some pineapples, some cucumbers, things to detoxify and cleanse your colon. That'll help you lose and shed all your weight and help you live healthy and have a more energized body. Who wouldn't want to be healthier? And if you're trying to gain weight, I recommend you put more calorie dense kind of foods like bananas, that the fruits and shit that tend to have more calories. You can all do your own little research and find out what you need to add and shit, you feel me? If you guys want some more tips and shit, I'm always glad to show you guys anything. Just let me know down in the comments below. But hey, cheers. This bit fire. I gotta throw it back in the blender though, cause these frozen shit ain't blend that well. But this shit tastes good. It's good.